Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to upload media to Snapchat. We'll cover the straightforward process of sharing your favorite photos and videos directly from your phone's gallery. Whether it's a memorable moment or a fun clip, you can easily bring your existing content into Snapchat. This guide will help you navigate the app to select and share your media with friends or add it to your story in just a few simple taps. To begin, open your Snapchat app and ensure you are on the main camera screen. Look for the small icon that looks like two overlapping cards, usually located near the bottom left. Tapping this will take you to your memories. From there, select the Camera Roll tab to browse your device's photos and videos. Simply choose the media you want to upload, whether it's one item or several. Once you have selected your media, Snapchat offers a variety of creative tools. You can add fun filters, engaging stickers, and personalized text to make your snap truly unique. After editing, decide if you want to send it directly to one or more friends, or if you prefer to add it to your public story for everyone to see. Finally, tap the Send button to share your perfectly crafted snap. For the best results, ensure your media is optimized for Snapchat. Aim for an aspect ratio of 9:16 for full-screen viewing. If you are uploading videos, try to keep them under 60 seconds for seamless story integration. Always double-check your internet connection to ensure a smooth and quick upload process. High-resolution photos and videos will also make your snaps look much more professional and engaging for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.